Now, your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Eli Millard.
Now, the farther that the north that you go, starting to see some cloud cover starting to clear out. Still a mostly cloudy sky at Holton, but every once in a while seeing a break in that cloud cover that will decrease really in our northern counties for the next hour or two before our next round of storms moves in. We can really see the strong jet stream overhead, our central Topeka cam, those clouds moving quickly. Strong jet stream overhead that gives us the fuel for that upward motion that we need to see some strong to severe thunderstorms develop over the next couple of days. Current temperature right now, 56 degrees, actually starting to warm up. That rain really cooling our atmosphere, and the cloud cover that we're seeing starting to clear out. May see some sunshine poking at times, but generally will cloud up over the next couple of hours or so. Feels like 56 degrees, also windy, winds out of the southeast about 21 miles per hour. And here in Topeka, seeing about ½ inch of rain. Some places seeing way more than that, about 2 to 3 inches, and really our southern counties having some flooding issues, especially in Morris, Lyon, and Anderson County. Something certainly we're watching right now. Our high today, 56 degrees, 14 degrees below our average high of 70. We'll warm up drastically over the next 24 hours or so. So current temperatures right now in the 50s and 60s, where we are seeing that cloud cover start to give way. We're seeing upper 50s and lower 60s, that warming ever so slightly, but we'll still be cool throughout this evening. And winds certainly breezy, about 20 to 30 miles per hour, seeing those gusts at time to 35 to 40 miles per hour. We've got several rounds of severe weather on the way. So talking about tonight, Thursday, really the tornado threat is very low. It's not zero, but it is very low. The main threats with the storms that we'll see over the next couple of hours or so, large hail and gusty winds. Keep in mind the storms that we're seeing right now in our southern counties, those are not severe. That's not what we're watching for. Another round that develops really by 7, 8 to 9 o'clock. That'll be mainly for our western counties. That's mainly a damaging wind threat, I think, and some large hail. It'll start to weaken the farther east that it goes, but still could see a strong to severe thunderstorm Thursday evening tonight for the eastern counties as well. But Friday really ramps up a little bit. I think if storms do develop, hopefully the rain that we saw today will make our atmosphere a little more stable and hinder storm development. But if storms do develop, they look to be in our northeastern counties primarily, and these storms look to be a little bit stronger. A few tornadoes are possible, large hail and gusty winds, and then that severe weather threat really ramps up every day that we go, today being the lowest. Then we got Friday, then now watching Saturday as that next day. Saturday, some tornadoes possible, some strong ones maybe possible as well. Large hail and gusty winds, especially for this area in the orange, which pretty much includes most of our viewing area except for our far northwestern counties, still in a slight risk for those folks. Still watching Saturday. Saturday is that day we're really going to watch, but don't want to rule out Friday either as well. So we're watching these showers and storms in our southern counties, I-70 and south, seeing flooding issues towards Anderson County, Coffee County, and now in towards Lyon County and Morris County. That rain should start to end eventually as it continues to progress towards the east, but more rain is on the way as an upper level low pressure system just off towards our west. Here it is. This is our storm system for today, tonight, and tomorrow. Our next storm system right behind it, centered over the Pacific Northwest, that will move in for Saturday and into early on Sunday. Let's go ahead and time this out for you. Future track starts at 6 or 7 o'clock, but a little bit of lull in activity before our next system rolls in. 8 o'clock, by 9 o'clock moving into Cloud and Republic counties. Watch what happens with these storms, this bowing motion that we're watching. When it bows like that, you're looking like strong winds with this line of storms that moves through. Past Manhattan by 11 o'clock, moving into Topeka by 11:30 to midnight. That first round moves out by 1 to 2 o'clock. Watching our next round, overnight hours, quiet until really watching later on Friday afternoon. Models are not picking up on too many things, too many storms developing because of how stable the atmosphere after the rain that we saw today. If it does break that, we will see maybe some storms develop, and some could get strong to severe, especially in our north and eastern counties. And then we'll start to clear out. Now watching Saturday, another day, several rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms by Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, isolated storms, which favors more for possibly seeing some tornadoes Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, clustering up by Saturday night, and then moving out of the area by Sunday morning. So we're going to have lots of rounds of severe weather. Already seeing plenty of rain, 2.5 inches in Concordia, about 2.5 in Manhattan, 3 inches in Anderson County, certainly a flooding risk in some areas, and it's a very active next 72 hours. The weather team will be all over it for tomorrow afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and into Sunday morning. After that, we dry out for one day, then watching our next system that rolls around in the middle of next week.
You know, Eli, I know we talked about planning around the storms, but the likelihood of doing that seems pretty slim right now.
I think for Friday and Saturday, the main risk is going to be just watch for be weather aware the next couple of days.
All right, we'll be right back.